Siyabonga comrades, siyabonga Maqabane. Unity is the power. So introduce asikhulume sethu lesiqhamuka kwa-ANC. Lesitosho nasho ukuthi umzabalazo webasebenzi awuqhubeke size sitholele kulesikufunako. Comrade Bheki lovela kwa-ANC, siyabonga.
Manda. Athi sabotage manje la ngahambi kakhulu la.
Long live with the struggle of workers, long live. Long live. Forward with unity, forward. Forward. Long live basebenzi, long live.
Long live.
No, siyabonga kakhulu chairperson of the session. Ligama lami njengoba introduceile ngingibheki ngwakamkoni from the African National Congress in the sub-region of Inkomas. We are here, comrades. We are here, comrades, as the African National Congress to pledge our support behind the struggle of the workers. See, I understand, comrades, workers, we are the most vulnerable, particularly the struggle, let's so sanamush. See, I understand that we South Africa. La yonke into khona seyiyabita kuyadura ngisho ukuthatha umntwana umix esikoleni kuyabita kakhulu. Hallelujah. And the question is, if kukungukuthi we don't fight for ourselves, who else is going to fight for ourselves as workers? No one. We understand as the African National Congress, as the leader of the society, we must also be at the forefront of the struggle of the workers. Why kumele sibe phambili tikwe struggle sebasebenzi kwekuthi basebenzi siyamathi ukuthi umqasha ayikho ilanguage la understand ngcono ngephandle kokuthi basebenzi baze baphume baye estradini. Ungahamba uyohlala ku negotiation table, you will get only what you negotiate for, but the day uphuma uhamba estradini you will get the better percentage lo deserve. Because we must put it very clear, comrades. Kunemehluko phakathi kwel% lo deserve nel percent lo negotiate la. Immediately you take up the struggle sokuthi uhambe uembark kokuthi soyathi kwe struggle sokuthi emgwaqeni, from that day you will get what you deserve. But the day ubelivela ku boardroom nitawuhlala nikhuluma silungu and silungu lesingeke siphele, at the end of the day you will get what you negotiated for, comrades. So we are here as the African National Congress to say forward with unity, forward. We want to say as the African National Congress, tabanani comrades, sidon support asiyati ukuthi besolo singabonakali, but we are here kun support up until the last day. Asithamuke thine silengisatandla, but we understand ukuthi niyawadinga imando kunatha, niyayidinga refreshment ezebasebenzi, because we come from different backgrounds. Sikhamba imindeni ehlukahlukene, nenye imali ngile yokugcina Nkosi yami lokugcina uthenga nangayo ukuthi tank nekwenda ukuthi ukhona ukuthi akule struggle lesi. Therefore uma singa support ke comrades ukuthi silethe ama refreshment, it means comrades we are failing the struggle of workers. And in the process you are bound to fail, comrades, ngoba gradually we must agree ukuthi ndawo disappear nga one emva kwaloko bese bathi abelungu niyababona ukuthi bebazama into labangeke bayikhona. And therefore we are bound to support the struggle in every angle, comrades. It can be financial wise and otherwise, but we must support your good selves, comrades, as the African National Congress, as the leader of the society. So we are here to say akona ma refreshment stop drop at kwe leadership yenu siyathi ukuthi possible ngahle kunganeli konke ngoba besingayathi le size, but sesifikile sesibonile stickile ke comrade ukuthi oh bangakanani abasebenzi. From there, comrade, we pledge our support ukuthi we are going to continue to support your good self. Uthi Karl Marx, comrades, unitani basebenzi, we have nothing to lose but only your chains. Kubekani comrade ngalomzabalazo up until your demands are met. Mandla.